welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded something else, but you guys, I was just waiting on my other packages to come. So sorry. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you have not watched my previous video, go watch my other Fashion Nova haul right now before you watch this one. Also subscribe if you're not already, like, comment, and follow me on my social medias. And we just gonna jump straight into the video. So today I'm going to be doing another Fashion Nova haul. Yes, another one. And the only reason I'm doing another Fashion Nova haul is because the stuff that I couldn't fit in the previous video, I sent it back. And you know they don't do cash refunds, like they only give you store credit. So I just used the store credit to get more stuff, and that's what I'm trying on today. And sadly I only have like 4 items, so this video will be short. I only have 4 items that I got off of there, including the one I have on now. So without keep on yapping, we're just gonna jump straight into the video, and I might as well just show y'all what I got on now since I already have it on. So the first thing I have on right now is this Where's My Coffee jumpsuit, and I got it in a medium and it's black and red. So I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see, but I'm also gonna insert a video so y'all can see how it look all together. But this is like how it looks. The upper area is just a onesie, and it's a full body onesie. I think this is so cute. It's warm and cozy, and you know Christmas time is right around the corner, so it's cute to wear. I feel like I could have got a small because this is a medium and it feels a little big and stretchy, like on my stomach part. It's like bunched up like this. So I feel like I could have got a small, but the medium is cool because it's a little, got a little room or whatever. So yeah, that was the first thing. The second thing I have is this romper, and it's called the Home for the Holidays Sleep Romper Black Combo in a size medium. This is how it looks. It's so cute. It's a nice material. This is a nice material. This is a nice material. But this one is really big on me. I really definitely should have got a small in this one because this one is really big. And this is a medium as well. But I wish I would have got a small. If I knew that they ran big like this, I would have got a small. Because it's really big as a medium. And I normally wear mediums and everything. So I think this is really cute. But I wish I would have got a small. But I'm gonna still keep it because I'm not about to keep returning stuff and have to keep using store credit and have to keep using store credit with them. So I'm just gonna keep it or whatever. The third thing that I got was this. Where's the name? Hit Fashion Nova Snooze Satin PJ 3-piece set, which is this. Okay, this. First of all, the short. I like the set. I think it's very cute. I think it's very cute as a night set. These shorts are humongous on me. Like when I tell you they're humongous on me. They're very big. It's like they tight right here but huge all up here and like on the waist and everything. Too big. I want to send this back real bad, but I don't even want to send this back. And then have to pay an $8 return fee just to send it back. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep it, but I can't wear it. Like, okay, so the shorts are too big and this shirt is too damn small. Okay, well, I tell you, my arms feel like fat old chicken drums or something because this is so tight on my arms. This is so tight on my arms. I can barely get my freaking arm up this sleeve. So I don't know about this. And the buttons are like defected, and every time I button it, the button come out. Like, yeah, this whole little set was just terrible. I really like it. I think it's cute and everything, but the shirt is too small and shorts is too big. So I don't know what to do about that because it comes as a set. They don't give you the option to choose small shorts and a large shirt. They just give you whatever you get, which is small, medium, or large as a set. And I don't think that's right. I feel like they should let you choose your size for your bottom and your size for your top, because everybody not always the same size on the top and the bottom. So yeah, I really think this set was cute, but I'm mad that I cannot fit it. And it come with this sleeper thing, but I don't sleep with these. I really don't. I never have and I never will. I just don't feel like I would sleep with that, because I would just be thinking like, what if somebody break in a house and I don't even know because I got that on? I don't know, something crazy. Okay, so the last but not least item that I got, which I really love, and this is a 10 out of 10 for me. It's called the Wrong Way Sweater Pants Set in the color black, and it's a medium. Oh my god, this is so cute, y'all. I love this, and the material is great. Like, material is great. It keeps me warm. I could wear this for the winter time. This is how I look. I love the zipper on the sleeve. Oh my god, it feels heavy. It's like a heavy sweater type of feel, but it's not the itchy sweater type of feeling. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. Oh my god, these leggings are so comfortable. At first I was like, I cannot fit these bad boys because they look so skinny, but they very stretchy and the material is good as well. Again, yes, and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit them because they were so skinny, but they're very stretchy. I love this set. I love this set. This is a 10 out of 10 for me out of everything that I got. And yeah, that's it. Like, I only have 4 items. Like, that was not even a lie. Like, it was just 4 items. But anyways, I will have another haul coming for y'all real soon, so stay tuned for that if y'all want to see my other hauls. This was just because, like I said, when I sent my other items back from the previous video, they only gave me store credit, so I used the store credit to get more items, which was just the 4 things that I got. But yes, comment down below, let me know if you like anything that I got. Everything I got would be in the description box below for you to go check out yourself. Also, do not forget to stay tuned for my other hauls. I'm telling you, I got bangers. Coming through. So yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on my social media, and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see y'all in the next video.